Hello, my friends, and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Rosangel, and my channel is all about simple living, home cooking, and real life moments. And to be honest, today is one of those days where I am feeling a little emotional. As much as I love to keep things positive, I am not blind to what's going on around us, and I just want to make that clear. My hope is that my videos can bring you a little comfort, a little peace in what feels like such a wild and uncertain world lately, my friends. So if you're new here, you are very welcome. I sure hope my videos inspire you to cook more at home, especially lately, my friends. I don't know about you guys, but here in South Florida, the prices of food are outrageous. Just did my groceries this weekend at Walmart, and I was, just blown away on how expensive things are getting. And you know what? Get inspired to do your little herb garden. If I can do it, my friends, you can do it as well. I'm super proud of my little herb garden, which I use a lot, as you can see here on my videos, my friends. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to prepare a delicious garlic butter chicken legs. And guess what? It's very inexpensive. Probably paid about $8 for these chicken legs, my friends. And it's so easy. The ingredients, as always, I'm quite sure you have these home, my friends. Your garlic, your butter, your onion. If you don't have a herb garden like I do, well, you know what? Go down to the grocery store and pick up your little cilantro and your little parsley, my friends. That's pretty much what you need. As you guys know, I am not precise with my ingredients. Just follow along and season to taste. I will definitely upload all the ingredients when I upload this video for you guys. And as always, my friends, the ingredients are easy. Now, my friends, here is a few of the ingredients. Don't panic. I am going to list every single ingredient for you, and just cook with me. Just follow along. And let's not forget the wine. Now this right here is very easy. I'm gonna go ahead and put all my ingredients in this little bowl I have right here. And I'm gonna add some olive oil. You can add whatever oil you fancy here. I'm not here judging anyone, okay? So whatever you fancy. And I'm using the oil because I want to create a little paste so I can marinate my chicken legs. And if you saw earlier, I actually did some incisions because I want to make sure all these ingredients marinate these chicken legs. They're gonna be so good, my friends, so good. And you know what? I had some leftovers for lunch and it was even better. And the best part of this recipe is that you don't have to marinate your chicken legs for hours. I seasoned them nicely, my friends, and that was it. They were so flavorful and delicious. So this is when I say season to taste, season to taste. I am putting all these ingredients in this bowl so you can actually taste before you put this on anything you're seasoning. And of course, in this case, the chicken. So if you think it needs a little more salt, maybe some black pepper, some onion or garlic, whatever you think is missing, this is the time to taste. And if you notice, I know I speed up my video. I actually taste the seasoning before I put it on my chicken, and it was perfect. Now, if you notice, I added a little bit of white vinegar. Do not skip skip this part. And I repeat, my friends, do not skip this part because it's going to give this marinade such a delicious flavor. Now this is ready to go in the oven. I'm going to be using this baking rack I have here, this baking dish actually with the rack. I'm going to be actually putting some foil paper because it's so much easier to clean. Okay, I'm going to also put a little spam spray because I don't want my chicken to stick, although the chicken has its oil already. And I'm going to make sure that I don't put them too close together. And this is going to go in the oven at 425 for 1 hour, and just flip them one time. And that's it. And after this, I'm going to show you guys how to prepare the delicious butter garlic that's going to go all over these chicken legs. For the garlic butter, you are going to need some red onions, some parsley, some green onions, and red onions. Now, doesn't have to be red onions, my friends, whatever onion you fancy. I like to grate my garlic. I did about maybe 5 or 6 cloves of garlic. And of course, we're going to use a stick of butter as well. Okay. And this, put it or do it on a medium high heat temperature. Not sure about your stove, but mine is probably about a 5-4. Okay. We don't want to burn the butter or the garlic. And the only thing I'm going to be adding is going to be the garlic and the onion, the red onion and the garlic, because the green onions and the parsley, I am going to just do that at the end when I am marinating the chicken legs with the garlic butter. You can add the parsley and the green onions in the butter, but for some reason I don't like the way it looks. This may sound crazy, but I don't like it. I think it gives it more flavor when you actually put the fresh parsley and the fresh onions. When you just mix everything together. I'm also putting a little bit of salt and black pepper. Now be careful because remember, our chicken is already seasoned. So we don't want a salty dinner. Okay, so be careful with that. I just did a little pinch. And I did probably about 2 minutes, and then I put the butter garlic aside. Okay, let it marinate with all those delicious, the garlic flavor and the red onions. And that's it, my friends, that's it. Just let it sit. And that's it. You have to do nothing else. Gonna go ahead and clean up. Don't know about you guys, but I like cleaning up. I want to make sure that as I cook, I clean my mess. And it's also easier for the girls and Hector, of course, because they do the dishes after dinner. So I make their job a little easier as well. So I like to clean up, and I'm going to just relax for a bit, enjoy my glass of wine, and then I'm going to come back and my chicken legs are going to be ready. Well, my friends, the chicken is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and put my chicken legs here on this big bowl, and I'm gonna mix the butter with the garlic and the onions. And then I'm gonna add the parsley and the green onion. And you know what? I'm gonna add a little bit of Tabasco because we like it hot around here, my friends. Well, this is it for today. I truly hope you've enjoyed cooking this garlic butter chicken with me, my friends. And if today felt a little more emotional, just know that's real life. And this is a space, my friends, where we can both be grateful and honest at the same time. Through it all, period. We keep showing up, we keep cooking, and we keep finding comfort in the simple things. Thank you so much for being here, for spending this time with me, and for allowing me to share a little piece of my day with you. I hope this meal brings you comfort, just like it does to me and my family. And I'll see you all in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.